This is just the snow on our back porch. The temperatures are going to drop as the day goes on. It's supposed to get windier. Tomorrow's supposed to be colder than what it is today. And everybody's trying to clean out, but I don't know if he'll get our driveway done today or not. Our driveway is pretty bad. Somebody brought a tractor and did the neighbor's driveway. Dan said, hey, they could have come over and did ours too, but I guess that's not how things work anymore with different people or with whoever anymore. We would have gave him gas money. Look at that. Woo, he slid. He's doing this, but I don't know if he'll snow blow the driveway or not. I wanted to do a video of the driveway and some pictures, but I'm not going out there, and some of our windows are on our door and stuff is iced over. So he's going to have to take pictures with his phone, and then I can put them on mine. I don't like when he's out here doing this though, because it's wet, heavy snow. And I keep telling him, just do from the door to the steps. That's all we need when we take the dogs in and out. But he's stubborn, bullheaded, does the whole dang porch. Like that amount right there that he's got done. And then just do right here by the door. That's all that needs done. But he does the whole dang porch. If we had a smaller snow blower that could get up the steps and onto the porch, we could snow blow it, but the little one we have, we think the key got sheared off, so it won't stay running. I'm always afraid when he's doing this, he's going to overdo himself, but he won't listen. The whole porch don't need done. Just from the door to the steps, that's it. It's gonna give himself another hernia. Though we don't have any young kids that live by that we could hire. Well, we do, but we don't know them. But anyway, that's what's going on in my neighborhood.